In a world obsessed with sterilization, antibacterial soaps, and processed packaging, we have forgotten an ancient truth. Sometimes, for food to be healthy, it has to be a little bit alive. This isn't just cabbage and salt. Inside this jar is a thriving ecosystem of billions of living organisms. It is a biological factory. We call it fermentation. Our ancestors used it to survive winter. But modern science is discovering that this controlled decay might be the missing link to our modern health crisis, specifically the crisis in our minds. Today, on Wonders of Life, we are looking at why eating rotten food is the best thing you can do for your brain. To understand why this jar matters, we have to look at the microbiome. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. It's a garden. If you feed the garden sugar and processed food, the weeds take over. Inflammation rises. But if you introduce beneficial bacterial probiotics, the garden thrives. Here is the mind-blowing part. The gut-brain axis. You might think your mood is regulated entirely in your head, but roughly 90% of your body's serotonin, the key hormone for happiness and mood stability, is produced in your digestive tract, not your brain. Your gut bacteria communicate directly with your brain via the vagus nerve. If your gut is unhappy, it sends panic signals upstairs. If your gut is flourishing with healthy bacteria from fermented foods, it sends signals of calm. So, what is actually happening in the jar? It's a war. When we submerge vegetables in salt water, we kill off the bad bacteria that cause rot. But one type of bacteria survives and thrives: Lactobacillus. These bacteria eat the sugars in the vegetable and convert them into lactic acid. That's that sour, tangy funk you taste in a good pickle or yogurt. That acid preserves the food, but it also creates a superdose of probiotics. One serving of real, fermented sauerkraut can contain more probiotics than an entire bottle of expensive supplements. But here is where most people get it wrong. If you go to the supermarket and buy pickles off the shelf, they are usually dead. They have been pasteurized, heated, and soaked in vinegar. Vinegar gives the sour taste, but it kills the bacteria. To get the mental health benefits, you need live cultures. You need the stuff found in the refrigerator section, not the shelf. Yogurt, kefir, kimchi, miso, tempeh, and raw sauerkraut. These are the superfoods of the psychonutrition world. We spend so much time trying to fix our brains with therapy, meditation, and medication, and those are important. But sometimes, the foundation of mental peace starts much lower down. It starts with the soil of your own body. Feed your gut, and it will feed your mind. Start small, just one spoonful a day. Thanks for watching Wonders of Life. If you're ready to cultivate your health, hit subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.